Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to show you basic shapes. Triangle, square, circle. First I will talk about circle. Circle. A circle is round. All the way there are no corners. And circle could be different sizes. It could be big or it could be small. Square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all lines are straight. Like this, see? Straight lines. Same and straight lines. So it could be big or small. Triangle. A triangle shape has 3 corners, 1, 2, 3, and 3 sides. Okay, so you can teach your kids by making more games, interesting games, like we can give them sand so they can trace a shape on the sand. I made one game in which I added more activity, like more shapes. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and diamond. So there are bottle caps over here. They will see the shape here first. This is the shape circle. So they will find here circle shape. This is circle. So they will put it and close it. Same triangle. Find the shape and put it over here and close it. They will do this all activity and they will love to do this activity. They will do this activity and they will love it. And another activity, you can give them shape detectors. You can give, like you can divide 2 groups, or you have 2 kids, you can give one kid and another kid to give one shape and the other kid another shape. So one child will go around the home and they will find the same shapes. Like one child will find a round shape and see, wow, I found the same shape. So this is very interesting game. They will love to play this game. Another game is, I made some flashcards and I have given them some shapes over here. They will see the first flashcard. They use 2 shapes, square and triangle. So they will take square and triangle. Yes, the next, triangle and circle. Triangle and circle. Triangle and rectangular. Rectangular shape and triangle. Square and circle. Square and circle. This is very interesting game. Your kids will love to play this game. You can teach them by giving them painting and by drawing. And there are many games for shapes. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.